Hello Learngervigates, I hope you all are doing well. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, so kindly subscribe to my channel. Just hit the bell icon so every time I post a video you will get the notification. Today we are going to learn about common phrases you can use in daily life. Of course in German. We usually say a lot this in English. Entschuldigen Sie bitte. Entschuldigen Sie bitte. Excuse me please. This is a formal way. This is a formal way of saying excuse me please. Entschuldigen Sie bitte. In informal way we can say Entschuldigung bitte. So the next is we are going to learn how we can say yes, no or maybe in German. Yes. Ja. Ja. Do remember one thing that the J in German is pronounced as J. So the sound of this is ya. We will write this in Hindi as ja. 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 Yes means ja. No means nein. Nein. Maybe. Vielleicht. Maybe. Alright in German. In Ordnung. In Ordnung. For awesome we can say toll. Toll. Noch einmal toll. Oder super. Super. Basically, we use these words for moment like great, awesome, nice. So we use toll oder super. Toll oder super. We say sorry a lot of times. So how do we say in German? I am sorry. Es tut mir leid. Es tut mir leid. Noch einmal. Es tut mir leid. How do we say I don't understand in German? Ich verstehe nicht. Noch einmal. Ich verstehe nicht. And how do we say I don't know in German? Ich weiß nicht. Ich weiß nicht. Or you can also say that keine Ahnung. Keine Ahnung. No idea. Keine Ahnung. So the next common phrase we use a lot is I am tired. Ich bin müde. Noch einmal. Ich bin müde. How can we say happy birthday in German? Herzlichen Glückwunsch zum Geburtstag. Noch einmal. Herzlichen Glückwunsch zum Geburtstag. So how do we say how are you in German? Wie geht es Ihnen? It's a formal way of saying how are you in German. Wie geht es Ihnen? And in informal way you can say wie geht es dir? Wie geht es dir? So how can you reply I am good in German? Mir geht es gut. Mir geht es gut. So the next common phrase which we usually use in our day-to-day life is how much does it cost? How much does it cost? So we can say was kostet das? Was kostet das? So if someone is not well, so we can say get well soon. So how can we say get well soon in German? It's gute Besserung. Noch einmal, gute Besserung. So guys, if you like my content, so kindly subscribe to my channel. Just hit on the bell button and every time I post a video, you will get the notification. Cheers!